Be chaired by the head of public.
MUCEMANIO wa ira gatagati ga kiama kia arigitani KMPDU, KANJU ya magavana na maabithaa a thirikari uratanyitwo kurikirira miena yothe iguithanirie na gwikiranira kirore ngirimiti ya marigitari gucoka wira. Ona kuhanora uguo mubango uyu wothe ndunakinyanira gukioneka kugia na kwaga kuiguithaniria gatagati ka atongoria kiama-ini gia KMPDU amwe makienda mucemanio ungi gugatabanio muthu wa mwambiririo thaa 4 cia rucini.
Coming out clearly, and I think I will call out KMPDU and tell them they seem to have a house that is divided. It is time they really pulled together and thought about the Kenyan people who are suffering.
It's not fair that the intransigence of one party to the negotiations and the internal politics holds Kenyans hostage.
Kuringana na KANJU ya magavana, KMPDU irarehire mendekithia ngurani na maria matemanitio igoti-ini. KMPDU ona kuhanora uguo ikiuga hatiri undu cenjetie otiga kugathikwo kwa ihinda riria thirikari ibatie gukinyaniria mateta mao.
The issues they raised today are different from the issues they raised in the Senate yesterday. So clearly there is a very consistent trail of dishonesty from the part of KMPDU and shifting goalposts.
The issue that they have brought that was not there initially is that they want government to pay salaries to self-sponsored registrars.
Umwe wa maundu maria marabatie kuiguithanirio gatagati ga KANJU ya magavana na KMPDU mucemanio-ini uyu ni ihinda ria ukinyaniria wa motungata ma insurance ya urigitani kuri marigitari. KMPDU ikigathika ihinda ria thiku 60 riri nayo KANJU ya magavana irenda kuheo thiku 90. Thutha wa kwaga kuiguithaniria riu miena yeri tanyitwo gugacemania igoti-ini, mutongoria wa aruti wira a thirikari Felix Kosgei na muikariri giti wa kamiti ya maundu megie ugima wa mwiri thiini wa KANJU ya magavana Muthomi Njuki makiuga ni mekwiri igoti gwitikiria kurugamio wira kwa marigitari aya kuona mihango ya urigitani ithararite kwa ihinda iraya hatari undu wiguithanirio.
We are going to petition the court to allow us to take any necessary action to alleviate the problem that is obtaining, and at the same time to ensure that the lives and health and well-being of people of Kenya are safeguarded. And this will be done strictly in compliance with the labor laws.
In the event that we still do not have doctors back to work, we cannot let our people to continue dying. We will have no choice but to replace them.
Handu-ini ha KMPDU, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.